Welcome, I am Dan Coates. I'm here to help you feel comfortable making a 3-grain artisan bread. So the first step that we do is to make a poolish. We have about 30 grains of yeast, we have 150 grams of water, and 150 grams of flour. We mix that all together in the container and let it sit for about 8 to 24 hours. So now that the poolish has raised, we'll take the 280 grams of water, put it in the bowl, we'll take the 2 grams of yeast, mix those together, and then take the poolish and mix that all together so that it kind of makes an even goo. The last part of this mixing is to take the 3 flours, 133 grams each, and then add the salt. And then we'll let this sit for 45 minutes to an hour. Now that the dough has raised, we will flour the counter, put it onto the counter here, and then we knead it. We stretch it out, and we pull it and fold it over. Once we've done that a couple of times, we'll flip it over, and then we come up from underneath to make that beautiful dome shape that we're after. I'll put that right into the bread bowl like this, and then we let that raise one more time. Get ready to put it in the oven. Now it's just a matter of cutting it. Who's first? Enjoy.